Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing in and granting the exact permissions required. Once signed in, open Google Colab or Cloud Source repositories and create a new project or import an existing repo. This gets code under version control. Make sure to set the runtime to the Python version you need and enable GPU if your work requires acceleration. From here, clone the repo into the notebook environment or mount drive so you can read, edit, and run files immediately. Don't skip cloning. You'll edit code directly in cells or open files from the cloned repo, then run small, focused tests to confirm behavior. Once done, install dependencies with pin versions like package == 1, 2, 3, and restart the runtime if dependencies change. Make incremental commits frequently and push to the remote to keep a clean history. Use unit tests and assert statements to verify logic. If something fails, add targeted prints or logging, and rerun the failing cell to inspect variable states immediately. You'll finalize by committing your changes, pushing to the remote, and opening a pull request or initiating a deploy. Include clear commit messages and run the CI checks. If deployment or tests fail, inspect runtime logs and restart the environment to clear transient state. Make sure dependency versions match between local and runtime. If things still go wrong, reproduce the issue in a minimal notebook cell so you can isolate the failing line. Then revert the last commit if a quick rollback is the safest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.